NTG Right now, we're going to be talking about Jussie Smollett. This is huge. Let's go ahead and dive straight into the news. Jussie Smollett has been sentenced to 150 days in jail in order to pay a fine of $145,000 for lying to the police about being a victim of a hate crime. You know what? Honestly, in this type of situation, they said that he is lying about a hate crime, but really, where's the evidence in him lying about the hate crime? It's a he say, she say. Honestly, he said some things about what happened. It was on camera that two dudes did attack. So honestly, at this point, for them, it really should have just been dismissed over the case if they couldn't find the attackers, in my personal opinion. But right now, as we can see him saying in court just recently, he said that, hey, I am not suicidal. So whatever that situation that came up for them saying that he is now suicidal, he must have been very angry, because in other video, they are saying when they were talking, he said exactly what happened to him. The attacker said, "Fuck empire. This my empire." Supposedly that was said. Jussie Smollett reacted and said, "Fuck y'all." Right? I'm just going off of what this was going on, speculation of what was happening in that situation. Y'all see the two men right here, right? And honestly, it seems very realistic. Okay, and this is around the time where they were in Empire and they were really making some good shows in Empire, right? So for Jussie Smollett to make this up and to have a big old lie, it just doesn't make sense to me, from how the show was just going so well and so good, and they just had to end it off just like that because of this attack. So Chicago police say they're investigating a suspected racist and homophobic attack of Jussie Smollett by two masked men, which happened about 2 a.m. And he said that he's going out for a smoke, didn't have any food, and went to go get some food. I mean, sound about right. The slogan often used by President Donald Trump and his supporters. Now, what do y'all think about Jussie Smollett? Do y'all really think that he made a hoax? This guy played on Mighty Ducks. Yes, he's an actor, but a lot of actors get a lot of backlash for basically lying about things, or if something that really happened, a lot of people wouldn't believe them just because they're actors. So they usually take the other side. Now, we've seen this happen to R. Kelly. We've seen this happen to Terry Crews, when Terry Crews supposedly got touched on and the judge didn't believe him. So this looked like one of those cases here where they're fining him huge fines. They were giving him jail time because they believe that this man had lied. Okay, honestly, I haven't heard anything of this matter that happened to Jussie Smollett when it comes to lying in courts or anything like that out of the whole career. I mean, the dude played on Mighty Ducks, and I just recently found out that he played on Mighty Ducks. Like, I was watching the dude the whole time, and just supposedly in 2019, he just made a fake hoax to where he just had to do this for two dudes attacking him. It sounded about right. He was really popular around the time of Empire when it was out. It was going so good. So he probably did get a lot of hate crime about that, So there are haters out there, so you got to watch out for those haters. Leave comments down below. I really want to know, what do y'all think? I really think the dude is innocent. Watch out if you are coming up in the world, and because these things can happen. So again, move safe. Don't lack. Again, watch your back. This is NTG TV. Leave comments down below. What do y'all think? And I'm out. Peace.